Hey YouTubers, here I have another vintage digital camera from my collection, a Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5, which came on the market in 2001 and was available until the third quarter of 2003. Pretty much identical to the Leica Digilux 1, which came on the market in July 2002. The Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5 was available in black and silver. The built-in CCD sensor was one of an 1.76 inch or 7.32 times 5.49 millimeters with a crop factor of 4.8 produces 4 megapixels images. The photo resolutions are 2240 times 1680, 1600 times 1200, and all the way down to 640 times 480, all in the 4:3 ratio factor. Image formats are JPEG and TIFF. The built-in Leica DC Vario Sumicron lens has a focal length of 33 until 100 millimeters, which is a 3 times zoom. The macro range is 6 until 50 centimeters in the wide angle position and 20 until 50 centimeters in the telephoto position. The aperture is f2 in the wide angle and f2.5 in the telephoto position. There is a filter thread of 52 millimeters, but only for the optional Panasonic conversion lens adapter DMW-LA1. A diopter adjustment is built into the optical viewfinder. The non-articulating TFT LCD monitor has a size of 2.5 inch with 205,000 pixels. There is no optical image stabilizer. Regular SD cards can be used up to 512 megabytes. One lithium-ion Li-ion battery, 7.2 volts, 1400 milliamperes DMW-BL14 battery is required. The weight of the camera without battery and memory card is 360 grams. The dimensions of this camera is 128 times 82 times 63 millimeters. Here my conclusion. The Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5 has a nice body size, not too small, not too large. Either you like it or not. For a digital camera from 2001, it had some great key data. The values and the appearance of the lens are very reminiscent of several other digital camera lenses from that era, like the Canon PowerShot G1, G2, and G3, plus the CASIO QV4000 and possible others. Some LC5 reviewers been speculating on the phenomenon or similarity on that lens as well. Manual focusing is very cool with the butter smooth ring on the lens barrel. Very interesting are the file sizes of the images. Please see test images and values. Many users stating 1600 times 1200 JPEG is the most best setting in consideration of image quality and file size. Another quality influence factor are the picture settings for sharpness, contrast, and saturation, of course. I'm still in the test mode and will deliver comparison pictures with a separate video later on. A filter thread of 52 millimeters is available, but only for the optional hard-to-find Panasonic conversion lens adapter DMW-LA1. With this adapter, you can screw in wide or tailor attachments. If you don't have the original attachments, it is a kind of hard finding the wide attachment which do not ruin your pictures, or where you don't have to zoom in halfway to get rid of the big netting. Too bad, the TFT LCD monitor is non-articulating, but as a consolation, you get a TFT LCD display with 2.5 inch, which is for for its time very large. And if you were lucky, when purchased secondhand, the foldable display hood was included. However, due to the power consumption of the LCD display, I tried to take pictures without the live view, the hood closed, auto review off, and just taking pictures through the optical viewfinder. It works, and it's very exciting. The shutter sound works only if the beep is enabled. The beep sound and the volume sucks. And without shutter sound, you are not 100% certain if a picture was taken besides the green and the red LED. Regular SD cards can be used. The manual states the camera can handle 512 megabyte maximum only. Well, it seems like the LC5 can also take 1 gigabyte SD cards. Again, I'm still in the test mode, but with good light, the image impression of the Leica DC Vario Summicron lens and the internal electronic processing is already very pleasing. Oh, be aware, the menu is in English language only. So, take the Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5 in 2023 with 4 megapixels out? Absolutely yes, but you have to learn how to use this device properly. I would not take it as my only one camera to a vacation or country I would know I go only once in my life there. As always, thanks for watching.